is ride mode right here, y'all. So, just, riding along. Alright, we're getting back on the road, everybody. Alright, everybody, so we got to where we was going, and we had some step twos, and now we took a walk. So we're just checking out the cemetery right here. Alright, so as soon as we do something else, we'll let y'all know.
Making morning coffee. It's a worm.
What was that? What was that? We're sitting at the Eiffel Tower here in Paris, Tennessee. It's pretty tall, so we're gonna check it out and head on down the road.
We'll see you later.